Yo, what's going on guys? Kev Dars here, bringing you guys back a brand new video to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in on this vlog. Today we're gonna go to Animal Kingdom. Now before I get the video started, thank you so much for all the support from everyone that has been on my channel. And secondly, we're running a little bit late. I came back to my room to pick up my wallet because I did forget about it. Not my camera, which I'm glad. And I'll catch you guys when I arrive to Animal Kingdom. I'm so excited. I'm having a blast with my family, and I hope y'all are enjoying it as well. Mom, I need to buy something for my hair. Look at that.
For my hair?
See, I get it from her, guys. That's the reason why, like, you know, we're all crazy like that. Alright, here we definitely need pictures. Look, we're finally at Animal Kingdom. El Kingdom de los Animales. Papá, ya vamos a entrar. ¿Cómo te sientes?
Bien. Happy, happy, happy.
Happy, happy.
Porque me acabo de tomar un café.
¿Sí lo ves, papá? El árbol. The tree. That's crazy. Mira, el Simba, Pumba y Timón are now entering Africa. Lion King. ¿Cómo ves, papá? Estamos en África.
Happy holidays, adventurers!
Like Isaac.
We are here today to welcome you one and all to the Festival of the Lion King! It is time. Here I come, big star coming.
Turtle looks exactly like me with my hair. Like I said, exactly like me. Hey guys, so guess where we're going? Where we going? We're going to the safari. ¿Para dónde vamos? Para la jungla.
Safari, vamos a la jungla a cazar los leones.
Cazar los leones.
They're the second largest species of croc, or 20 feet long. No, the only ones bigger than them are going to be saltwater crocodiles. They are close society, so they're run by an alpha male and an alpha female, but the alpha female is the one who is mostly in charge. Side giraffe are hanging out on our left side as well, kind of in those trees. And they are going to have to eat quite a bit to make up for that, so their tongues are very dark in color, almost until they're about 15. Then they'll actually kick them out of the herd. Males will either go full, they'll turn white, make that pink color from the food they eat. By their size, so they are also the least picked during the day, mainly because other predators are nocturnal or awake at night. They also protect the rest of the pride. It was Sebastian, and he actually just had his 16th birthday. Big male up there.
Aww. ¿Dónde estamos, papá? Mira. Go, 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 go. Y'all made it. Go, go, go. Let's go, let's go. Keep it going. Let's go. Man. Go, 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 go. got out of the Avatar ride, and I did not like the wait at all. It was like 3 hours and 30-minute wait, and the line was supposed to be at least 2 hours or so. But when the app it said like 2 hours, an hour and a half, but we waited for 3 long hours. That's why in the clip you can see that everybody was clapping because we were all waiting. I think it could have been way more better if it was less wait time. This is Pandora at night. Yeah. Yeah, I thought I was tripping. Like I said, the wait is terrible. One of the worst waits of the ride for 3 hours straight. Oh, look at this. Look at this view. Alright guys, so this is the show.